job.
Yeah, look, it's Thomas. Here, put your finger right
So
here.
here we are, Christmas 2012, and we're getting ready to open stockings and presents from Santa.
Here.
Baby May
right
is
here.
still sleeping, so we're going to get Grant going on his because he'll go through pretty quick. There's Daddy, Grant, Grammy, Grandpop, and here's Mommy. And there's the tree with the gifts. And the first present from Santa. Beauty and the Beast, it's Belle.
Yay!
Let's wait, we have a lot
Here,
to go.
Let's look at this. There's the Beast. There's Belle. Who's that? Oh, I do.
So it appears after every gift we open, Grant's going to want to take out every toy. So this may take a while.
Let's try this one. We'll put this aside for right now.
And there's
Let's look at
Indy.
this. Put your finger right here. I don't know. What's
Oh,
what?
that's for ribbon.
Okay.
Just the paper we could toss on the ground in a pile.
Okay.
And I'll recycle. We got some new books.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I do.
And every book we're going to have to read. This may take a while.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at that.